In this lesson, we want to explain the arrow drawing tool. By selecting this tool, you can easily draw an arrow by clicking and dragging. After drawing, you can move its start and end by clicking and dragging on these points. And by clicking on the middle of it, you can move the whole arrow. In the theme section, you can select and draw different type of arrows with a different shape and color. Just click on one of them and draw an arrow. You can select the color you want in the color section. As soon as you select a color that is not in the theme section, a new arrow with a plus sign appears here, meaning that the custom arrow is being created. You can control shadow here. Click on it, this triangle, little triangle, to enter the shadow setting. You can change the color of the shadow. You can change the angle, changing the shadow by clicking and dragging on this circle. Change the distance of shadow from object. Change the opacity, as you can see. The blur, softness or sharpness of the shadow. Okay. Back to the arrow setting. In a shape control, you can choose any style for start, end, and middle of arrow. As you can see. Okay. You can change width of arrow, opacity rate, the size of the head of start and end arrow, okay. And finally, if you enable the Bezier curve option, you can have a curved arrow and click on this point to change the amount of curves. Finally, if you click on a plus sign, this new arrow will be added to your list and you can use later. The star on each object, when you activate it by clicking, it will be moved to the favorite section. This means that you can easily gather a list of all tools and objects that you want and use a lot here. Okay, that's arrow tools. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.